Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Trading Partners along with Bob Gino's already updated the retracement levels. At the run up, we had this 91.36 level. You see stalling out there. That's before, those are just the retracement levels. That's the level we had, the 12.5% projection, and then pretty decent sell-off, dropping all the way through the rotation zone, back down to 25% and holding on a closing basis above the 50-period exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart. The big retracement on taking that back over there. Now we do have this sloppy double bottom here. So if we get above this high on a closing basis, 87.52, we'll start watching for a run. This is just a minor double bottom, so it roughly is going to take us back to about the 9,000 level. Slightly less than that. So you can watch for that. That's just a little short-term scalpy trade, not even going to put the lines up there on the chart. So that's going to be the key area. What you're going to want to see on a closing basis is above the rotation zone, also and above this 88.36 level again. So then we'd start watching for a retest of the most recent highs. That's your first level of resistance. Key support now coming in 84.95, so essentially 8,500. Let's switch over to the daily chart. Take a look at how all this played out. It was in an oversold condition based off the 4-hour. Still an overbought condition based off the daily, but we'll have to see. Once this bar closes, we'll be out of the overbought condition. You can see it spiked into the rotation zone and now is holding above it. So it's more bullish if we close above about, what is that, about 85.50. If we close below 85.50 and break through that 8,500, then we'll start watching potentially for the bigger pullback. We have this prior resistance shelf and the bottom of the rotation zone, so that would be very key support, about 81.50. Decent volume coming in on this down bar. On a rally above 91.77, the most recent high, we'd be looking for about 94.64, then 97.50 are your key levels higher. Switching over to Ethereum. Once it comes up, Ethereum, which also sold off, see it hits a 12.5% projection, 178.32, and then sold off. With this sell-off also, I'm going to raise those levels. Now, key resistance coming in about 168.30. That's what we'll be watching for. Above 168.30, then we'd be watching for a return to 172.75, then 176.40 area. Our most recent swing high, let me fix that. There we go. 179.24. If we get above that, we have a cluster 185.62 to 187.04. Key support, we'll be watching this a 50-period exponential moving average, 161 area. Close below there, 158. Then if we drop below there, we'll switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart. By the way, no double bottom on Ethereum. You can see here holding at the rotation zone. So below 162, that's key on the daily. If we get below 162, our major next support area, we have a pretty wide cluster, 148 to about 151.50. So that's the next major support area coming in on the daily chart. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.